Put your hands on your heart, close your eyes, and all we're going to do is go on a journey very briefly of things you're grateful about, but first physically feel your heart. Right now, step into a moment in your life that you could feel deep feelings of gratitude for. Any moment at all. Breathe in your heart, step in that moment and see what you saw then, hear what you heard then, feel what you felt then, right now. Feel so grateful. Feel that moment was sacred, that it was blessed, that you were blessed. Now reach out and bring in another memory that you could be grateful for, any moment at all. Step into gratitude at that moment and feel it as well. And now shift to moments you're proud about. Bring in a moment you're proud, a moment of pride, feeling proud. Think of something you've accomplished in your life, small or big, that you feel proud about, and bring that in. Bring in a special moment with family or friends, a moment that's magical for you.